Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to reverse image search on Google, so pretty much how to use Google Lens. So as you can see I am now on my home screen, and on the very top you can see there's the search bar for Google, and next to the microphone button there's a Google Lens button. So let us press on that. And now guys, as you can see I have my screenshots and all that stuff and photos. So if you wish to search a particular photo and get the search results from Google for that particular photo, maybe some relevant or similar images, you can just click on any photo. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to click on the photo screenshot of this phone. And as you can see now, it finds the model, and now it suggests me to buy this phone, right? It also recognizes the model and all that stuff, so that's pretty cool. And also, guys, if you wish, you can also open the camera. So for example, let me just open my camera, and I'm going to take my controller, and we will see what's going to happen. So there you go, there's my camera, and let us try and scan my controller like this. All right, so as you can see, the controller has been snapshotted, and now it finds that this is a Sony DualShock 4 wireless controller for the PlayStation 4. So as you can see, it works pretty awesome. So this is how you use it. So you have two functions, which is to use your camera and pretty much capture something that you wish and then search on Google, or just choose a photo or a screenshot from your storage and work with it from there. So enjoy, guys. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe.